Guys, this has to be the best Indian restaurant, not just in Leeds, but in the UK. Today we're trying Akbar's on the Hedgerow in Leeds, a place we've been dying to try after hearing so many great reviews. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. If you're new to the channel, press the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost you a penny. We're trying to grow the channel this year, so if you can help us reach 10,000 subscribers, that would be amazing. It's a lovely summer's afternoon here in Leeds. If you're not familiar with Leeds, we're walking up Brigate towards the Hedgerow, and the restaurant is just a short walk from here. We recently posted a poll on our YouTube community page, and you all told us Akbar's was the best Indian restaurant in Leeds city centre. Is it just us, or does anyone else look at the menu online before going to a restaurant and pick out what to eat, but still feel unsure when it's time to order? Comment below with your favourite Indian dish. Do you have the same or mix it up each time? Leeds is a great city for shopping. Close by here you've got Leeds Trinity Shopping Centre and lots of wee markets and arcades. Lots of high street brands here: Zara, JD Sports, M&S, and I think the very first Marks and Spencer's was founded in a market not far from here. If you're a regular viewer, you'll know we love our caravans, but check out this shoebox caravan. It kind of reminds me of the one from Father Ted, where one of the priests is doing the river dance in the caravan.
I'll get one down here.
It's a Friday afternoon just before 6 PM and the city centre is still quite busy. Queen's Arcade to the left there and County Arcade to my right. Thornton's Arcade is coming up as well. Thank you to everyone who has shared our content and commented on our videos. We really appreciate your support.
Help to Jesus. Jesus is here to heal you. Devil don't want you to get healed. Jesus will heal you in every sickness. Praise the Lord.
I can't afford anything. Sorry, I'd eat chicken from Wings. Oh, would you? And I'd dip it in the brown.
Are they have a Wendy's?
Yeah, the mukbang.
They have a Wendy's. They have the Frosties.
We did go on a lovely walk by the canal, so we're actually just coming up to the hedgerow, and I think the restaurant is around here.
Yeah, because you just have a little bit of an appetite regardless, and then you can sleep like a beach.
I can see Akbar sign on the left. We can't wait. Take a look at the menu. We arrived at 6 p.m. and the restaurant got busy quickly, which is always a good sign. We started with poppadoms and a pickle tray, and they didn't disappoint. The poppadoms were perfectly crispy, and the pickles were a great mix of tangy, spicy and sweet flavours. A great way to kick off the meal. For our mains, I had the chicken tikka masala, and my partner was feeling spicy and ordered the chicken madras. The chicken tikka masala was rich and creamy with tender, flavourful chicken. The spices were perfectly blended. Both dishes were served piping hot. The chicken madras was a spicy delight. It had just the right amount of heat, making every bite exciting. The chicken was juicy and the sauce was packed with flavour. We also ordered boiled rice and a huge garlic naan bread on the side. The rice was light and fluffy, perfect for soaking up the sauces. And look at this naan. It was as big as our heads, soft and loaded with garlic. The staff were brilliant, super friendly and efficient. Even the chefs brought out our curries. Overall, Akbar's was fantastic. The food was outstanding. It got quite a bit busy, but that's just proof of how popular this place is. We'll definitely be coming back to try more dishes. So for 2 curries, soft drinks, poppadoms, pickle tray, naan bread and rice, the bill came to £51. This didn't include a service charge, so in total we paid £60 and it definitely was worth it. Tell us what you thought of Akbar's and comment below where you think we should visit in future videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel videos.